Hi friends, hope you're doing well. So in this video, I just want to address those group of students who have started late and were thinking it's not possible for them to finish the portion. So how can we get maximum output in such less time? Especially this video is not for those who have already started and who have started their revision. So don't change your plans because we have already discussed how to continue with the plan. This video is especially for those who have started late, like in November, or who are in their internship and who want maximum output in last 90 plus days. So guys, it is practically impossible to read every notes thoroughly and to again solve a lot of MCQs and expect a very good rank in such a short span of time. So what I will say, instead of doing that, if given choice to me, I'll be happy ending up in top 15,000 and rather than ending up in the last 60,000. Because what will happen if you want to read everything that is available, if you want to watch all the videos and if you want to rush into your preparation, you will not even end up in top 50,000. So you have to be practical and you have to cover the important areas. So I want to tell you something that will not I can't promise you that you'll get like rank within 5,000, but definitely you'll end up in top 50 15 20,000, where you get a chance at least to get something rather than ending up at 60,000 where you get nothing. So first about rank building subject. So rank building subject is your first and second top subject. So don't miss anything from that because your maximum questions will be from those. If you have seen my last rank analysis video, you'll realize that lot of questions from the other rank mentoring subject, like which are our big four, that can also be solved from your rank building. So do not neglect them. In your remaining time, give maximum keep your maximum focus on rank building subject, which are your first and second top subject. So read your notes and previous year MCQs for these particular subject. Now coming to the short subject, it is okay. We have limited time, so it is not possible to read everything from the short subject. I have released one video about important topics, which I have done after the research of last few year questions, and a lot of classes have released their important topics. So it all the I have compiled everything. So at least try to go from those. You can use the rapid revision notes, or you can use a shorter version of notes which you have yourself have created to save the time. Just make sure that you do not miss anything from the important topic. Along with that, couple it with the last 5 years question. So there will be overlap and you don't miss anything extra that is important and that is being asked repeatedly over last few years. Then coming to the big four, which are rank maintaining subject. So for that also I have released one important topics video. So you have to go through that video and make sure from your notes you don't miss anything. See, what I feel that you don't have to watch a video for everything. It will take a lot of time. You read your notes first. If there is something that you are not able to understand at all, for that you can go back to video because video is going to take a lot of time. So you cover your important topics, start and solve your last 5 MCQs. It will take lesser time than reading everything from the notes. Definitely for if you have to use your rapid revision notes or your shorter version of notes, do it for rank deciding and rank maintenance subject, not for rank building subject. If you follow this approach, which I feel, most of the questions will be covered, and if you do it religiously and if you don't do any mistake from whatever is being asked, at least from this area, you'll definitely end up in top 15 to 20,000, where you practically stand a chance to get at least some branch. So if you are a student who are eyeing like not a very like top 5,000, but you at least want to end up in top 20,000, and if you feel you have a limited time of study, I think you should definitely follow this strategy, because overdoing things, being over ambitious can definitely harm your rank, and you will just rush into everything. You will read everything rapidly, nothing will get registered, and you will become, as they say that jack of all trades but master of none. So you will know nothing and you won't be able to recall so many things in such a short of time. There's a lot of saying and there are a lot of speculations that your NEET might get postponed. So, but I will say still, you never know. So just keep preparing for 12th of March, and don't don't rush into things, because even if the exam get postponed, then still you'll stand a good chance because your preparation and your base is strong. So guys, I wish you all the best and I hope this video helps you. Take care.